2096 step-by-step directions from a binary tree node to another. This Java code finds the shortest path from the start node to the destination node in a binary tree and return the directions as a string. The directions can be L left, R right, and U up. Here's a step-by-step approach to solve this problem. First, find the lowest common ancestor, LCA. The LCA of the start and destination nodes is the deepest node that is an ancestor of both nodes. This helps in breaking down the path into two parts, from the start node to the LCA and from the LCA to the destination node. Next, find paths. Once we have the LCA, we can find the path from the start node to the LCA and from the LCA to the destination node. Finally, construct the directions. Convert the path from the start node to the LCA into U, up directions, and concatenate it with the path from the LCA to the destination node, which will be in L left and R right directions. Explanation 1. Find LCA. This function finds the lowest common ancestor of the start and destination nodes. 2. Find path. This function finds the path from a given node to the target value and appends the directions to the string builder. 3. Get directions. Finds the LCA of the start and destination nodes. Finds the path from the LCA to the start node and converts it to U directions. Finds the path from the LCA to the destination node. Concatenates the U directions with the path to the destination node and returns the result. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.